guys, it's Ellie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing another workout video, but this time for our abs. It is really important to work on our core muscles because it supports everything around this area. And if you're like me, my spine isn't actually that strong, so it's really important for me to build on my core muscles. So let's get right into it. We're going to start with the standing crunch twist. We're going to lift our right knee as far as we can and tap our left forearm. We're going to alternate between sides. This is a great standing workout as it targets our ab area.
I'm just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite. I got my hands on your body, so tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like I do, like I do, like I do, like I do, like I do.
The next workout is called the kneeling hinge. We're going to go onto our knees, lift our hands above our heads, and lean backwards till we feel our abs, and then lean forward. This is a great ab workout because it targets the front and back ab muscles. The next workout is called the bicycle crunch. We will lift our left knee towards our right shoulder and we will alternate between sides. I love doing this workout a little bit slower because it targets our inner core. The next one is called the flat sit-ups. Lie on your back with your arms above your head. Lift your torso up to a 90-degree angle and slowly lowering your torso down to the floor.
Guess I was wrong. Thought you'd never leave me. Guess I was dumb. Waited like forever to be your plus one, but I guess you were done.
I'm starting to shake just a little bit, but don't worry, we are halfway through our workout.
Won't heal my wounds. Now I'm broken hearted, all 'cause of you, and it's sad, but it's true. If you could rewind, do it again. I wonder, would you hurt me just like you?
The next workout is called the double leg lift. We're going to lie down on our back again. Put our hands under our bum and we're going to keep our legs together and lift it above the ground and then push it back down again.
Full believe in lies for my clueless mind, but I didn't know what you do. How could I known it? I'm not a psychic. The only psycho here is you. 'Cause you're a stupid boy treating hearts like toys, but I'm just as stupid as you. When we're
started dating, I was surprised. Felt so elevating, too easy at times. Then all of a sudden, reality strikes. It was all just a lie. Don't you have a conscience? Don't you feel bad? Acting like a monster, don't you feel sad? All I want is...
The Russian twist is a classic ab workout. Twist your abs while tapping your hand to the ground. Alternate between sides.
I wonder, would you hurt me just like you did? Or would you fast forward to the end? I wonder, so you wouldn't have to face what you did. You're a stupid boy, treating hearts like toys, but I'm just as stupid as you. For believing lies from my clueless mind, but I didn't know what you do. I could have known it, I'm not a psychic. The only psycho here is you. 'Cause you're a stupid boy, treating hearts like...
I love doing ab workouts. They are absolutely one of my favorite parts to do is my abs. And I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. Until next time, bye!
Na 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 na.